You're ready for the best, yeah. So here's what's going to happen. Just by applause, how many of you know how to dance? That was not a lot of applause. That was not a lot of applause. So here, I want to find the best dancer in the audience. So I'm going to bring 5 people up on this stage. Who wants to come up on this stage? Make some noise, make some noise. Who wants to come up on this stage? That guy. Don't see security in the room. Who wants to come up on the stage? Who wants to come up on the stage? Who wants to come up on the stage? You have to go. Okay, pink shirt. Pink shirt. Head on down to security. Pink shirt. Who wants to come up? Who wants to come up? Go waving your hands. You can't volunteer somebody. Who wants to come up? Who wants to come up? Let me see you. Let me see you. Who wants it? Lady right here and guy with the red. Guy with the red and lady. You guys come over. Go over there. Both of you, go over there. Somebody from the back. Who wants to come up? Little tiny kid on their dad's shoulder. You come up. Head over there to see security. We are going to see who the best dancer is, ladies and gentlemen. The winner is going to get a Toronto Salsero t-shirt, not available in stores. Now, while we're waiting for our people to get up here, I want to take a big thank you to all of our amazing sponsors. Big thank you to all of our amazing sponsors. Big thank you to TD Bank. They bring this festival here every year. La Una, local number 183. We want to say a big thank you to Duro Steakhouse. They have 2 locations. Thank you for being part of Salsa on St. Clair, TLN Media Group, and also Univision Canada. Now, my people, come on up here. Come on up here. Give them a big round of applause. Get up here, my people. Everybody, give them some applause! Make a line, make a line, make a line, make a line. Make a line, okay. Come on over here, come on over. First, introductions. What is your name? Margaris, okay. And can you dance? ¿Puede bailar?
Yes.
She's like, speak Spanish. ¿Puedes bailar? Yes. Pick one, okay. And what is your name?
Lisette.
Lisette. And how old are you? You don't have to answer that question. Never ask that question. No. 15 years old. Okay. And what is your name, my friend?
Andres.
Andres has got some attitude. And what is your name, my friend? Sante, give us some love. Dude, how old are you? 7. So aggressive. 7. Do you know how to dance?
Yeah.
We'll find out. And your name, good sir? Colin. And how old are you? I'm just kidding, Colin. Don't worry. You're obviously 15. You're obviously 15. ¿Y cómo se llama usted?
Leon.
Leon, you can dance?
Yeah. I'm a dancer, yeah.
Okay, he's a dancer. We'll find out. And lastly, your name, madam? Diana. Okay. So here's what's going to happen. In a moment, I'm going to play a song. I'm not going to tell you what the song is. Okay? You're going to dance your the top 3. Top 3. You will decide who gets to stay on this stage. Okay? My dancers, are you ready? Audience, are you ready? DJ, hit them with Dance Challenge number 1. Applause. Who loved our dancer over here, number 1? Not bad. Bachatero number 2. All right, not bad. Bachatero number 3. Okay. Bachatero number 4. Bachatero number 5. Bachatero number 6. And bachatero number 4. And 7. Okay, I'm gonna keep 1, 2. You want both? Give them a big round of applause. My other 3 dancers, you can hang out right back here. My other 3 dancers, you can hang out here. Did a great job. All right. This next one, you can only pick 2. You can only pick 2 for the next one, okay? You can only pick 2. This is, I'm gonna switch sides. You 2 over here, you 2 over there. Okay, get ready. This is Dance Challenge number 2. Oh, this stage is gonna break. I know it. This stage is gonna break. Oh no! 3 guys and 1 girl, but that's the hey. All the love, all the love. Let's start over here. Who likes Salsa number 1? Salsa number 2? Salsa number 3? Salsa number 4! You know what? I'm gonna say thank you to both of my dancers over here. Amazing. Give them a big round of applause. Hang out right here. Yo, stand up. Yo, hey! Right here. Perfect. Stand right here, perfect. No, where are you going, homie? Andres, ¿dónde vas, pa? No. Yeah. Okay. First thing we're gonna do, we have to do a stare down. So take a knee. Look at him. Look at him. You look at each other. Real hard. Look at him real hard. All right. Here's what's gonna happen. This last song is a wild card. This one is a wild card. Okay? It's not salsa. It's not bachata, my friend. Are you ready? You ready? I need to hear you give them the love, okay? Give them the love. You make as much noise as you want. DJ, are you ready? Wild card song. Here we go! Oh my goodness! Are you okay?
I was dancing with this one. On my left.
You did amazing. Okay, audience. It's up to you. What do you want? What do you want? Los dos? Los dos? Ladies and gentlemen, we've got got the best dancer at Salsa on St. Clair right here. All my dancers, take a step forward and take a bow. Give them some love, everybody. All right, guys, thank you all so much.